I will build my house first. The fastest and the best. Speed is not strength, Arnab. You need strong branches.
What was that? That felt cold.
It was a warning. The great winter wind is coming. Only the strongest homes will stand.
How can I build a house strong enough all alone?
I know we're tired, but if we combine our strengths, we can finish the cottage before the storm hits.
The wind is getting stronger! What will we do?
My house fell apart. Your branch was too heavy.
We have been going about this all wrong. We need each other's help.
Arnab, you are a great digger. Sanjub is a great climber. What if we helped each other? Build one home.
One strong house. For everyone. Let's do it!
The fastest builder had learned a great lesson. The strongest home isn't built with speed. It is built with friends.